Hello guys, good afternoon. You are welcome to a new channel, the SPC Tutorials, and my name is Joseph. In today's video, I'll be taking us Chem 111 calculation in chapter 1. Okay, now I've taken other part that has nothing to do with calculation, but in this very video, we are going to be treating calculations all through. Okay, now I don't know, everywhere they hold, you like say God they open window for fire. Everywhere they hold like, Jesus Christ, it's unbearable. You're the hold, especially in the sun. It dey hot. Like God, you open small window for fire mode day. But we'll survive it. But I pray may God cover that move. Eh? Alright, so let us get started. So you can see this is a textbook that you guys are going to read in organic and physical chemistry. And there's no spiritual chemistry, it's only physical chemistry, you understand, eh? So you have here revision questions on this chapter 1 that has been treated. Now what we are to do right now is we want to solve questions on this topic. Now number 6, okay, this number 7 that indicates the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in each of the following species. Now you have number 1 to be number 1. I have that is option, that is A. I have nitrogen, which is 5. Okay, 715. Yeah, 715. Now you have this to look for the proton number. You have to look for the proton number. Where should I write it now? You have to look for the proton number, electron number, and what? Neutron number. So please take note of this. Proton number is the same thing as what? The electron number, and it is the same thing as what? Atomic number. They have the same value. Proton number equals electron number equals what? Atomic number. But the neutron number of an element is the mass number minus what? The proton number. You know, in a given element, the mass number is written as what? The superscript, while the atomic number is written as what? The subscript. Now, which means that the mass number here is 15 and proton number is what? 7. Proton number is what? 7, right? As explained. Then electron number is something as what? 7. The atomic number is something as what? 7. Please, it is not AN. Is this not AN? And don't allow your people to confuse you. This one is AN, that is atomic number. Okay. Now to look for the neutron number of this idiot, it is mass number minus what? Proton number. Mass number here is what? 15. 15 minus what? 7, and that is going to give us 8. Alright, which means that the mass number, the neutron number of this element, which is nitrogen, is what? 8. Proton number 7, electron number 7, like that. Then B, I have sulfur 1633. I believe that's what is here. Now proton number, of course, is what? 16. Electron number 16. Atomic number 16. Right? Now it's not for the mass number of this entity. The neutron number, becomes Mn minus what? Pn, and that is what? 33 minus what? 16. 14. That should be 17. The answer is what? 17. Which means that the neutron number of sulfur is what? 17. Then the next one is what? Let me take tungsten. Let me take tungsten, which is what? 186, and I have 74. Alright, tungsten. Now proton number now is what? 74, right? Electron number is what? 74. Atomic number is what? 74. Just like that. Now the neutron number now is what? Mass number minus what? Proton number. The mass number here is what? 186 minus proton number is what? 74. What am I going to be having? I think I will have, okay, 10. I'm going to be having 112. 112 will be the answer, I believe. 74, 6. Yeah, 112, which means that the neutron number of tungsten is what? 112. Now the next one, let me do for mercury. Mercury, which is Hg 280. Now, therefore, the proton number is what? 80, right? What we are following, just follow it step by step. Then the atomic number is same thing as what? 80. Then electron number is same thing as what? 80. Hope we are following. Just pay proper attention. Now, to look for the neutron number now, it is mass number minus what? Proton number. Okay. Now, which is 200 minus what? 80. 200 minus 80. Therefore, neutron number is equals what? 120. So that is the answer, please. It is very, very easy. Then as for this other one, this number 7 of it, I've solved it in my initial video, so we have nothing to do with it. So other questions there are yet to be solved, and especially this number 16 that says allicin is the compound responsible for the characteristic smell of what? Garlic. And an analysis of the compound gives the following percent composition by mass: carbon 44.4%, hydrogen 6.21%, sulfur 39.5%, oxygen 9.86%. Calculates its empirical formula. What is its molecular formula, given that its molar mass is what? 132 gram. Now, I don't have the calculator. I would have used calculator to solve this. I cannot solve this without calculator. Now, what you are going to do is, in my next video I'm going to do this, but let me make an introduction. It is not new to us. As science students, molecular and empirical formula are not new at all. Okay, no, this is carbon, hydrogen, where is it? Okay, carbon, hydrogen, sulfur, and what? Oxygen. Now, carbon here is 44.4, so I cannot solve this right now. I need a calculator. So I don't have a calculator in the house right now because it's my phone I'm using. I cannot take my phone and start using it to calculate. It does not make any sense. Once I am able to get a calculator, I'll solve this. I'll solve question 13 to 16, right, which are the broadest questions here. So please, at this point, we'll call it a day. Please endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It is very, very important. Okay, now question 1 to 6 do not require calculation. It's just normal theoretical word question. You don't need calculation. No, it's not calculating. Okay, now we now have number 10 does not require calculation as well. Let me check number 11. The atomic mass of and to solve this is very easy. Now what you are going to do is, okay, I have 35.5% of chlorine here. They have 24.4% chlorine, and their ammo are 34.968 and 36.965. In doing that, it is very, very important. It is very, very simple. It is going to be 75.53 times 34.96, then plus the same thing here. So that is it. So in my next video, I'm going to be solving all this using my word calculator. So at this point, we'll call it a day. Do have a wonderful day.